Get ready for some wow with Mike in Motion. I am on the ground in the community, and today I'm at BMW with Mr. Rocky himself, service advisor here at BMW. Thanks for joining me.
Absolutely, I'm enjoyed.
Rocky, tell me something that happens when people come in, what the process is when people come in when they need service for their BMW.
The process is come through the doors, we'll meet and greet you, go over every complaint or services due and take care of you and go from there. We have loaner vehicles that we can set you up with on an appointment. And we just service the car and get it cleaned up and call you when it's ready.
I love it. You guys are top notch. I've had a BMW before, and when you pick your car up, you used to you had it cleaned a little bit. Mm-hmm. It was really nice. Yeah. A loaner if I needed one, but really, really great. I mean, BMW, they set high standards.
Absolutely.
And you and your service team, you guys you continually get trained because there are new things with the cars every day.
Correct, yes. We have trained technicians that have been here for many of years. And we enjoy what we do, and we like serving our people.
How did the EV trend hit you guys?
It hit us pretty good. We had to add some chargers, in the dealership, outside of the dealership. They've come a long way, and we've got great EVs. We're excited.
You have quite a selection. I was looking at the EVs. I don't know why that always appeals to me, but I really love the style of BMW, and you all have integrated that EV process into these cars just really, really well.
Oh yes, and the performance is phenomenal. It's just got to drive one, and you'll know what we're talking about.
Yeah, new training, I guess, for your guys as these new techniques and things come out.
Yes. Absolutely, new training. They go to Atlanta to train to work on the EVs, high voltage batteries, things of that nature. And we make sure they know what they're doing.
Gotcha. One thing I know about Taylor BMW here, your employees and you stay around. You guys are committed to the product, and so I mean, I've been coming here for years, and you've been a good staple here. How long have you been with BMW?
20 years this year with Taylor.
Wow.
And, 26 total. Started with Hank Aaron in the year 2000.
Oh wow! So you love the product.
I love the product.
Yeah, that's me. I mean, that says a lot, right? When you really embrace what you have there. Yeah. I'm going to look around the showroom a little bit, if you don't mind.
Don't mind at all.
Thanks for joining me today, Rocky.
Thank you, Mike. It's nice to see you.
Come take a look with me. We're here in the showroom and sales area of BMW, and I know the sales thing can sometimes be a harrowing experience. People don't want to talk and negotiate about a car, but I have been in BMW before in the sales area, and I tell you what, these guys and women, they are amazing. They have a great sales team. They make the buying so comfortable and so easy. But let's just do the fun stuff. Let's look at these fabulous cars. I love to walk into BMW and just the smell of the new car. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. It is really amazing. This 840 sports car right here is pretty awesome. If I was just a little younger, maybe a little shorter, I could get in here. I'm more of a SUV guy, but these cars are amazing. The interiors are amazing. The cloths and the leathers and the computer graphics and things in these cars are just amazing. I'm blown away. I haven't been here in a little while, and just seeing the new technology, not only with the EVs, but with some of these gas cars as well. They're just really, really amazing. And they have everything to show you here. We have another sports car. Here is an X5. It's my favorite. I love the SUV. I can easily get in and out of this. What I love about this, I can get my ladders in the back of it when I'm going to a client's home, get my tools in there. You can fold seats down, but it's also so comfortable if you have guests, if you're touring around town, if you need something like that. But that's the thing about BMW. They can really offer anybody what they're looking for, special needs, just like interiors. When I'm doing a home for someone, these guys and gals, they are really great at finding the right fit for everybody. Not only the style and color, price, it's all part of it. This is super cool. Again, if I was just a little younger, this would be right up my alley, but I think I've aged out of this. But, there's some mature people that love these sports cars. Let's face it, we all look good in them, right? They're really great. Throughout the purchase process, the sales and management team, they strive to educate and inspire customers as well, because there's so much to learn with automobile and the technology that comes with it. So they're really here. I've asked questions to the sales team already today, this and that, because it's so electric to be in here around these cars and SUVs. So it's interesting to learn new things about these cars. And again, the technology with the computer screens in these cars, they're just really, really amazing. This all black car is amazing, just really great. When I got into the car a minute ago, it had like this humming sound. I almost felt like I was in a spa. It was really, really amazing. But it has computer graphics. They have certain lights that light up. I'm sure you could probably change the color. It came on purple, which is my signature color, and I love it. But I think you can change those up as well. But again, what I love about BMW is it is a higher end car, but with that you get the better service, you get the better sales team, you get so many great things along with the experience of buying a BMW. Just really amazing. Their aim is to ensure that their customers drive away trusting not only the vehicle, but which they have purchased, but the entire Ann Taylor BMW team. And that's what I love it. They're a team here. And as we talked with Rocky earlier, I mean, this team, they've been around a long time working together. That says a lot. They don't have people, sales, service. They don't have all these people coming and going all the time. Once they find someone, they love the brand and they stick around. So it's a really great team. I just love, again, I love being in a showroom with the smells of new automobiles. Just really, really amazing. Here is a great X3. This is actually what I've had before, the X3. And again, I could get my 6-foot ladder in the back. It fit easily when I put those seats down. And look, they have a bow on it, ready for me to take it home today. I love it. But the colors of automobiles these days are really, really great. They kind of go with the moody interiors we're doing today. Some of these colors are really good looking. I don't know about you, but I always want to consider what I look like in the car. If I look good in the car, if it makes me look good, I love a look because I'm a designer. I mean, that's what I do. But this one with the all black interior is super nice. Again, the computer graphics in there, super, super awesome. But I think we all look good. You'd look good in any BMW pulling up anywhere. It's awfully impressive, I think. So thank you for joining me today with Mike in Motion. I love coming to the BMW showroom. Stay tuned. We have more coming up.